is a giant sandblasting, guys. That's sandblasting. Giant sandblasting. That's how we have issue about the part because the part is not clean. It's not cleaning very well this sandblasting. So did you see this one? Become clean now from the black like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check our part inside by turn off this one and push the other button there. Okay, push that button. Now it's moving. See, our part is not perfectly but look okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna adjust more seconds. This right now is 50 seconds. So we can adjust like 10 more seconds. So it's gonna be 1 minute to clean the one part. 1 minute is not bad, but supposed to be 40 seconds to be clean. I think a little bit adjustment for the opening of the sun bottle. So what we're gonna do, so this is oh no. Now we can turn on this one and gonna be okay. Okay, that's it for now, guys, because we're doing our job here. I'll see you next time. Love you, bye.